Hey traders, and welcome to the Strategy Lab video. In today's video I will talk about the results I have testing Aussie dollar 30-minute time frame. A pattern is a unified Gartley and the swing identification algorithm was Prex 12. The results are very interesting. I have found some tendencies in my backtest, and maybe the information that I will provide you today will help you trade more effectively. Maybe it will motivate to do your own market research and not simply trust other people's words, but to see it with your own eyes, to have a confidence, a professional confidence that is needed for successful trading. Okay, let's go to my files. Let's open the unified Gartley. I tested all these major pairs, and the most interesting pair is euro-dollar for me. So let us look at the optimization file, and here's the number of trades. 818 unified Gartleys were found. If you guys are interested in specific ratios of the unified Gartley, so you just go to the settings of the MPS. It is the pattern recognition software that draws them, and you just set the minimal B point to 382, maximal to 786, minimal C point to 382, and maximal C point to 1. The entry 786 and the stop loss is 105. Okay, so this way the patterns are recognized on history. So you see hundreds and hundreds of patterns. The only thing that is left is to record these patterns, record these setups into Excel spreadsheet to analyze them further. And to do that, to record trades into Excel spreadsheets, I am using a fast backtest utility. It is attached to my chart and it looks this way. So what you need to set, you need to set your name. Let's have some unique name, Alex patterns, something of this kind. Then you need to set the target value. I have this target 12 because in MPS target 12 means 1-to-1 risk to reward, and 5 digits because I have 5-digit broker. Okay, that's it. The file is set, and to write down the trade you simply need to press few keyboards controls like this, 1 2 3. So let's go to second trade, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. That's it, 1 2 3. This one didn't complete, I suppose. That's it. So if we go to open file, open data folder, and we go to MQL4, open files, and we find Alex Patterns Aussie dollar 30. So Alex Patterns is the name and Aussie dollar is the prefix that is added. No, it's not a prefix, it is suffix, postfix, or whatever you call it. Okay, and here is the lines that are with these trades. So date, entry, stop, target, risk reward, result, B point ratio, C point ratio, D point ratio, and D2. So you see how fast it is to record all the stuff. It is absolutely fast. So if we start from the first trade that I typed today, it was 18.7 pips risk. So you can see it is minus 18.7 because it was a loss. Its B point ratio was 52.3. So let us see, the B point ratio was 52.3 XA, and the C point ratio was 48.6, and you go to check the C, 48.6, and the D point ratio was 7.86, 7.85, but 7.86 is okay, so it was 7.86, and the complementary D point ratio was 2.033. So it was 2.033. So you see all the data about this pattern was collected here and typed into your Excel spreadsheet, including time. Later you can do your analysis, filtering the time. Maybe don't trade on Mondays or actively trade on Fridays and whatever. And of course you can optimize the ratios for these patterns. That's why I did the backtest using the vast range of ratios. From 382 to 786 is very wide range for the B point, and 382 to 1 is wide range for the C point. And then you can fine-tune your pattern to find the best ratio. So what I did today, don't save the file, I did the backtest of euro dollar and I did the ratio optimization. So I simply choose this B point ratio, go to home, go to filter, and the first thing I did, I found the probability of this. I found this probability if the B point range is from 0.32 to 0.5. You see, so I simply choose the results, I copy these results, and I go to paste these results here. So as you can see, I already did this operations, manipulations, and I know that if the pattern has the B point range of 32 to 0.5, it has 48% probability. If it has the range of 0.5 to 618, it has 48% probability. Pretty stable in these two. But if it has 618 to 786, it has 44% probability. So these patterns that have below 618, they coincide with bad patterns, yes, and they are very close to 50%, but I wouldn't be trading them. But this one is obviously the pattern that should be traded opposite way. So just imagine the pattern, deeper B point, yes, goes here, and instead of looking for a reversal, you should be looking for a continuation. Obvious continuation trading pattern. Okay, this is euro dollar result, yes, so I'll simply close it, don't save it, and let me open the results of some other pairs. Aussie dollar optimization 30-minute, the one that I finished today. Okay, so the same optimization of the B point, and if we go here, the 3.2 to 0.5 range is 57% correct. So on Aussie dollar, bad patterns that have the range of 3.2 to 0.5 are pretty good to trade standard way on Aussie dollar 30-minute time frame. But look at this range of 618 to 786. It is below 50. You see, again, the 618 to 786 range is the range that should be traded as continuation range. Okay, then I want to demonstrate you some more. Don't save it. If we go here and we choose unified Gartley with stop loss 1, and if we choose a swing identification algorithm as Prex 21, and even if we choose the 15-minute time frame, we have similar picture. So here are the results: 400 trades found. Pay attention to these numbers. On Aussie dollar I had 800 trades. On euro dollar 30-minute I had 800 trades as well. Here, Prex 21, it is a bit different algorithm, a bit wider algorithm, so it looks at larger patterns, but the tendency is the same. So we have 47% probability for shallower B point, 58% probability for 0.5 to 0.61A, and 44% probability for 618 to 786. As you see from previous results, so these two vary. They sometimes 47, 48, sometimes this one is 40 something, right now it is 58, but this one is stable. It is stable loser. I should say. So it is the one that should be traded opposite way. Very stable result for this. Okay, don't save it. Now let's go to pending orders and let me find something more. No, don't have it for this pair. Euro-yen optimization results. So let us see what happens with Euro-yen. By itself it is 47% correct, but let's go to this calculation. So I'll simply delete the stuff. So what we have here, 47 for A point, 44 for B point, and 48 for the C point. This pair is a loser for every range. So there is no, I can't say which one is better to trade opposite way. Well, maybe the B point should be traded the opposite way. Okay, then we'll just close this. Then we go some more pair, maybe pound-dollar optimization result. And you see 800 trades, again 800 trades. And let's do the optimization, and we see the shallower point is 53, the middle B point is 55, and the 618 to 786 is complete loser. So the pound Aussie also supports the idea of this deeper B point phenomena. So the deeper is the B point, the more likely a trading will be a continuation trade. Let me find something else. Maybe I have one more. Okay, no more yet. So pound dollar, euro yen, euro dollar, and Aussie dollar, four pairs, four major pairs are showing the tendency that the deeper is the B point, the more likely the pattern to work as a continuation pattern. I dislike to call them patterns fail. They never fail. They either work traditional way like this, or they work alternative way, continuation way. And because we know that price can only do one of these two things, it can either go to the downside or to the upside. So these patterns are profitable in each and every situation. You should simply know in which situation you should trade it as standard patterns, or you should trade them as opposite patterns. Or if you have some statistical data that says that it is better should be traded opposite way, you can only trade opposite, or you can only trade standard way. Okay guys, I hope I motivated you to do your own market research and to have your own results. Don't simply trust the information that is given in books, that is given in trading courses until you check it yourself. So I hope that I motivated you to do the backtest, to check the information yourself. Okay, that's it about today for today, and I think you liked this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and if you are interested in MPS pattern recognition and fast backtest utility, you are welcome to visit my website www.mpstrade.com. You can find the link in description. Goodbye.